Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to solve this Megaminx. So this is called as Megaminx. So it is a like 3 by 3 pentagonal version. So if you can see, it has 12 sides. So like each of the center is adjacent to the 5 different centers. So if you consider this as my cube, so white side have 5 different centers adjacent to it, so I will call them as lower centers, and again they are connected to other 5 centers which are upper layer centers, and on the top you have a gray center. So basically it has 12 sides, and there are a lot of methods which are similar to a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So if you don't have any idea about how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, first go and do watch that video. I have provided the link in the description box. So once you get to know how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, this solving this particular Megaminx will become pretty much easier, because you just have to learn few new algorithms here, and that's it. Okay, so let's start. As I said, you can start with any of the center color you like. I am starting with white. So as we have done in 3 by 3, we had made first a white cross and then white corners. Here we will make first a white star and then we will solve the white corners. So this is a pretty logical step. It doesn't need any algorithm. So just go ahead and do this particular step with your logic and intuitions. So as we have done in a 3 by 3, I'm going to do that. So I'm not going to invest much time in this, which are in the processes which are similar to a 3 by 3, but I will try to show you each and every step so that it will not be confusing to you guys. So here I have already one edge piece which is matched with white, so I'll just match yellow with the yellow center. So just rotate the top layer. This is matched. Let's go ahead with the next piece. So I have one more piece here which is white and blue. So first it is flipped, so get it out, and if I move it like this, I'm matching white with white, but this is not the correct center. So get the piece which need to be replaced, which is this beige and pink. So I got it here, I got it up, and I'll rotate it back. So this is done. So in similar way you will just solve all the edges which is having white color. So I'll just solve them quickly. Okay, so matched red with red, here it goes, and one more only remaining. So basically finding the pieces here is the tricky task because it has lot many sides. So here I got a white star. Now let's start with the corners. As we have done in a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, whatever corner piece we need to place here, we will first get that corner piece in our right hand bottom, and then we will perform R prime D prime R D move. So here I have one piece which is purple, yellow and white. So first I'll get that piece in my right hand bottom with the centers yellow, purple and it is white. So I got it in the correct spot in my right hand bottom, and I'll just perform R prime D prime R D, and you can see this particular corner piece is solved. So in similar way you have to solve all the corner pieces. So my white layer is already solved. Let's go to the next step. For next step, as we have done in 3 by 3, we will flip the cube and we'll keep the salt layer, which is white layer, in our bottom. So next step, here what you have to do is you have to match the edges for the lower centers. because the centers will not be moved. So the only thing you need to worry about is matching the edges. So as we have done in a 3x3 Rubik's cube, first find the edge piece which need to be placed here and perform the edge algorithms. So I'll show you one of the piece here. So I have matched red with red. Green should go here. So as my so this is my front face, which is red. This is my right face, this is my left face, and this is my upper layer, so or top face you can say. So as it is going on my right, I will move it away from right. So this is now in my left hand side. Now what you have to do is perform a righty algorithm first, so which is R U R prime U prime. Rotate the cube clockwise. This is my front now, this is my left. Perform L prime U prime L U, and your edge piece is solved. So in similar manner you have to solve all other edge pieces. So let's do another one here, which is green and purple. Find a green and purple. Yeah, here it is. So if you can see, I have matched green with green, but if you see here, purple is neither going here or it will not go here, because these are not the correct centers. So you might get such kind of situation here in this Megaminx, which you don't get in a 3x3. So always keep in mind this, and when you match one of the edge, just make sure that the other edge should either go on right or on left. So this is not the correct spot for this particular piece. So I'll just match purple with purple. Now see, this piece is going on my left hand side. So this is my front, this is my left, this is my right. So as it is going on my left, I'll move it to right. So this is my right hand side, this is left. So I'll perform a lefty algorithm first. So L prime U prime L U. I'll rotate the cube anti-clockwise. So now this is my front, this is my right, and I'll perform a righty, which is R U R prime U prime. And you can see here this edge is also solved. So similarly you have to solve other edge pieces. So here your second layer is all done. So next step here, what you have to do is, it's an additional step, because it is a pentagon, we have to solve the upper layer centers as well before solving the last layer. So here what you have to do is, first you have to solve these three pieces which are connected to lower centers. So this will form a rhombus or a diamond type structure. So for all the five centers which are present in the top layer, you have to first form a diamond shape for them, and then will go ahead with the further steps. So to perform a diamond, we have to first solve this piece, which is the left edge, then we will solve the corner piece, and then we will solve the right edge. So let's start with any of the center. So I'll start with this, which is light blue and green. So first see a light blue and green edge. It is here itself, but it is flipped. So what I'll do is, I'll get it on the top layer. I'll move it to my right. I'll match blue with blue and match green. So here this edge is now solved. So find the corner piece next, which is light blue, green and purple. So this piece is here. So we have to place this piece here in the correct spot. So in every time, keep in mind that the whatever corner piece you need to fix here, first you have to get that piece here in your right hand side bottom place. So if this is your front face, then this is your right hand bottom side, this is your left side. So first thing first, what you will do is remove this particular corner piece, get it on the top layer, which is gray layer, and get it to your right hand bottom here. Okay, once I got this corner piece here, rotate the cube to anti-clockwise direction like this. So this is still your front side, but the side which you solved will now come in your bottom. So it came here in the bottom, and this is the corner piece you are solving now. So first check the orientation of this corner. Now you can see blue is matching with blue. So if you are holding your cube like this, let's say, so your left hand side is matched but your right hand side is not matched. So in that case, the algorithm which you need to perform is u prime l prime u l. So this acted as your left side, this acted as your u or upper side. Again rotate the cube to its original position. So this is your front now, these two are its lower centers, and you can see these two pieces are already solved. So to remember this particular algorithm, one of the trick is it is simply lefty algorithm in a reverse manner. So in lefty, what we do is we first do L move and then up move. It is the reverse FT where you are doing U move first and then you are doing a left move. So this is just a trick which you can remember. So let's go ahead and solve the right edge, which is blue and purple. So it is here in the top itself. So I matched blue with blue. So now purple we need to place here. So this piece should go here. So what you have to do is you have to perform edge algorithm twice, because this piece will first go here and then this piece will again go here. So let's do that. As it is going on my right, this is my front. I'll move it to my left. I'll perform a righty. I'll rotate the cube clockwise. This is my front now. I'll perform lefty and rotate it again. So this, you can see this piece is now here. Now rotate the cube again for your simplicity, because you can understand the algorithm easily. So now this piece has to go here on your right hand side, because this is my front, this is my right, this is my left. So as it is going to my right, again I will perform an edge algorithm. So righty, rotate the cube, lefty, and get the cube to its original position. So now you can see you have formed a light blue color centerpiece diamond with its connecting centers. So in similar way you have to perform all the other 4 upper layer centers. So let's go ahead to the right hand side and rotate the cube like this. So I'm starting now with orange. So first match orange with purple. So this is here on the top. So as you can see, this is not matched, so I'll rotate it. So this side is not yet solved, so you can rotate it in any which way, you're not hampering anything. So I have matched orange with orange. I got this here. Now let's find a piece orange, yellow and purple to get it here first. So this piece is here, get it on the top, remove it away, get it again back, because this you have already solved. So this is on the top now. I got it here in my right hand bottom, as this is my front. Again rotate the cube and check the orientation. Again you can see the left side is already solved, but the right side is not solved. So what you have to do is u prime, l prime, u, l. Again rotate the cube and you can see these two are solved. Let's find the right edge, which is orange and yellow. Orange and yellow, it is all the way here. Get it on the top, get it near to orange center. So this is not matching, so I'll just get it to right, rotate this particular side. I matched orange and yellow. Now again rotate. When you see, you have to place this edge here. So I'll perform the edge algorithm and you can see. So only tricky part to remember here is you have to move this cube a lot of time to for the orientation of the corners and edges for your significance, and it will become easy for you. Let's go to the next centerpiece, which is green. Start with green and yellow. So first get it on the top, matched green with green, orange with orange. Get this corner piece here now. Okay, so I got this corner piece here. This is my front. Rotate the cube, and this solid piece is in my bottom now. Check the orientation of the colors. So now you can see the right side is already solved, but left side is not solved. So in this case, the algorithm which you need to perform is U R U prime R prime. So this is also same, the trick is same which I told you, that you have to perform a righty algorithm only in reverse way. So you will first perform the U move and then R move, just to keep that algorithm in your mind. It is just a small trick. Get the cube again to its original position and find this right edge, which is green and blue. So I matched green with green. So now here, this is again the similar case where you have to perform edge algorithm twice. So guys, here also I'm going to tell you one more trick. Instead of doing edge algorithm twice, what you can do is you can just reduce it to perform only once. So here what you will do is you will just shift this particular edge to this spot. So how you can do it is, when you rotate it like this, you are just shifting this edge to its spot, but you are again moving it here. So to avoid this, first thing what you will do is you will move it away from your green center, rotate the green center to your right. So I bought this edge piece here now, again get it back. So as you now you can see, you have to perform only once the edge algorithm, because this piece, edge piece, is going in the right. So you have to perform edge algorithm only one time. So let's do it. So now you can see this is all solved. You got a green diamond, but as you have moved it to right once, you have to again move it back to its original side, because you have to match the centers as well. So this is also done. Let's go ahead with the next center, which is pink. So first match pink and blue. So pink and blue is here, I matched it. Then find pink, blue and red corner piece and get it in the right hand bottom. So here is the piece, I got it in the right hand bottom. Rotate the cube, check the orientation of this corner. So here you can see the third case where none of the sides are matching. So neither the left side matching nor the right side is matching, and the color which you need here in the bottom, which is blue, is in the top here. If you keep your cube like this, this is in the top. So when this condition happens, you have to perform righty algorithm 3 times. So this is my right now. So perform right, R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. And now you can see this corner piece is solved. Let's go and solve the edge piece, which is pink and red. So I matched pink with pink, rotated the cube. I'll perform a edge piece algorithm, and my pink diamond is also done. Now only thing remaining is making the last center diamond. So this is a bit tricky part, because we always have solved a diamond and we have moved to the right side, because right side was not solved. So we can rotate the right side freely, but here in this case you can see the left side is also have diamond and the right side has also been done. So when you solve this particular center, you have to make sure that you are not hampering your right hand side, because this is already done. So let's go ahead and solve this. So first thing I'll find is beige and red edge. So this is beige and red. First get it in the top, move it back and rotate it back again, because this is solved. So this thing you have to keep in mind, that whatever rotation you are doing now, you have to get that particular side back again if the side is solved. Okay, so match red with red. I have matched it. Now get the corner piece, which is beige, green and red. So here it is, beige, green and red. I have got it here in my right hand bottom. So here what happened is, when you got your piece here, you have rotated your blue diamond away from its correct centers. So we don't want to hamper it. So what we will do is, we will first get it away. I'll have this unsolved sides here. I'll again rotate it back. I'll again rotate it back. So now if you can see, this is in my right hand bottom, this is here. But when I'll do an algorithm to solve this, I am hampering this particular diamond itself. So in this case, for the last center, always remember, whenever you are solving this, get it on the top layer here and then solve it. Okay, so first check the orientation. So as you can see, the color which we need in the bottom is in the top here. So we will have to perform a righty algorithm 3 times. But as we cannot do it here, we will rotate it like this. This is in my top now. So I'll perform a righty algorithm, which is R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. So now you can see this corner piece is now correctly oriented. Rotate it back. This is done. The only piece which we need to solve now is beige and green. Similar way as I have told earlier, as this is the last center, whatever things we are doing, we have to keep in mind that we don't hamper this. So first find beige and green. Here it is, beige and green. Get it on the top, get it away, and as it is already made, the diamond is already there for orange, again rotate it back to its original position. So now I have beige and green in the top to match beige and green, but you have rotated this. So get the beige and green away. This is the unsolved side, so you can just like shuffle it. So again I'll rotate it back. So this is in the correct spot now, and rotate it back again. So this is also in the correct spot. So now again, as you can't perform edge algorithm here itself, rotate this side like this so that this piece is on the top now, and you have to perform edge algorithm now. So this is righty, this is lefty, and as you have rotated it twice, you will have to rotate it back again to its original spot. And you can see the diamonds are all done.